In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to play Brawl Stars on your PC without an emulator. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you know, the usual emulator people use to play Brawl Stars on their computer is the LD player that you can acquire by going to ldplayer.net and looking up Brawl Stars from the Games tab. As you can see, this is just your usual Android emulator that allows you to play Brawl Stars and other Android games on your computer. However, is there a way to play Brawl Stars specifically without the use of this emulator or other emulators? If we go to the official Brawl Stars website at supercell.com and we scroll down, as you can see, it's only available for the App Store and Google Play. And if we click on these links, we will just be redirected to the according marketplace. Sadly, as of today, there is no release of Brawl Stars for computer, which means that it is impossible to play Brawl Stars on your computer without using an emulator. If you still want to use an emulator, like I said, I recommend using LD Player. Otherwise, it is impossible to play without the use of an emulator. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you can only play Brawl Stars on PC by using an emulator, as the game is not released on PC yet. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.